know now. Happy Sunday.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube video. We want to do some chicken stuff. Put this chicken in the oven. Basically what we have here is just some dry ingredients that we want to put, want to prepare so that we can marinate this guy, make him look fresh for the oven. So basically I'm going to be giving it some African flavors. So our peppers is what is going to make the taste unique. So basically what we have here is we have grounded pepper. It's also African. It's from Cameroon. We call it Cameroon pepper. So we have our ground allspice. As you can see, they have combination of spices here: tomato, garlic, to just give us that unique taste. So I have, this is garlic and ginger paste. It's already pre-done. It's in a bottle. I've got another chili powder here. I like it. It's mild chili powder. So we've got curry. We've got some chicken seasoning. But this one I like the most because it has a very, very unique flavor that it gives to what you are cooking. This is in Nigeria we call it yaji pepper. It's like a mix of, there's a way they especially mix it. There's a combination of pepper, seasoning, and just some combinations. It's very, very nice. Sweet. I've got our seasoning cubes, and last but not the least, salt to taste. Salt, very important. So what we're going to do, combine all these dry ingredients, and later we're going to put it on this guy after we've put butter and some oil, to get it all greased up. And from the part of Africa that we come from, we love our peppers. We love it to be spicy. Not very spicy, but we love our peppers. We like it to be hot, kind of. Hot is good. So I'm gonna put the grounded pepper. I put the Cameroon, just a little bit of Cameroon pepper, not too much. And I'm going to put this guy. He's the king of the show because I love the flavor that puts into it. I'm going to be putting some of the curry powder, some thyme. I'm just going to gently, take out some of the moisture, some of the wetness that's on it, make it dry. Nobody can say no to onions. Onions has a very, very, very rich flavor. You can't say no to it. So
No, now. Happy Sunday.
So this is another day. We have actually left the chicken to sit for about how many hours?
12
About
hours.
12 hours. So right now I'm ready to put it in the oven. I stuffed the chicken with some vegetables, some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper, and of course onions, oil around it.